right, in the incident where two separate encounters that have been reported in Jammu and Kashmir, one in Anantnag and one in Kulgam, we are getting the first response from the IGP Kashmir on the encounter operations carried out in Anantnag, where in two of these encounters, 6 terrorists who have been neutralized in Kulgam and Anantnag. Unfortunately, one army jawan was also martyred in the encounter operation. And the terrorists who have been identified as local and Pakistani terrorists affiliated to the Jaish-e-Mohammed and were said to be involved in several terror crimes and civilian atrocities. Listen in.
कुलगांव इनकाउंटर में जैश मोहम्मद के 3 टेररिस्ट मारे गए, जिसमें एक पाकिस्तानी मिलिटेंट है और 2 लोकल टेररिस्ट है। उसके पास से 2 AK-47 एक M4 राइफल मिला है। ये कोई कोलेटरल डैमेज नहीं हुआ। दूसरा इनकाउंटर जो अनंतनाग में हुआ था, डोरू एरिया में, उसमें इनिशियली फायरिंग में एक टेररिस्ट मारा गया और आर्मी के 3 जवान और एक JK पुलिस के जवान जख्मी हो गए। बाद में चारों को बीबी कैंट लाया गया। रात में एक मार्टीरम को प्राप्त किए आर्मी के जवान, बाकी तीनों स्टेबल है, शहीद हुआ है। और इनकाउंटर को रात में कुछ देर के लिए बंद कर दिया गया। अर्ली मॉर्निंग में इनकाउंटर फिर शुरू हो गया और उसमें बाकी 2 टेररिस्ट मारे गए। टोटल 2 पाकिस्तानी मिलिटेंट मारे गए हैं और 4 लोकल टेररिस्ट मारे गए। जैश मोहम्मद के टोटल 6 टेररिस्ट मारे गए हैं और 2 M4 राइफल और 4 AK-47 मिला है। यह सिक्योरिटी फोर्स पुलिस के लिए बहुत बड़ी कामयाबी है। दोनों जगह एक फॉरेन टेररिस्ट मारा गया पाकिस्तानी।
Going across quickly to Zeenat for a quick live update. Zeenat, now what are we hearing from the police side? Because it was a successful joint operation that was being carried out. And when we come to know of the top commanders there of Jaish-e-Mohammed, they have been successfully neutralized in these encounters.
Oh yes, Amita, as the year is coming to an end, we are seeing the back-to-back anti-terror operations in South Kashmir that also witnessed the highest number of anti-terror operations in 2021. But before the year comes to an end, we witnessed the 2 anti-terror operations in South Kashmir's Kulgam and also in Anantnag. Talking about the Kulgam operation, yes, the success is bigger because the Pakistani terrorists have been neutralized by the Kulgam police. The M4 rifle, the American rifle, have also been recovered. Most of these times we have seen the rifle used by Taliban in Afghanistan, but the rifle has also made its way in Kashmir because this is not the first time when the rifle has been recovered from the encounter spot. The 2 other terrorists, the locals, have been also neutralized in Kulgam, and also the 2 AK-47 and other ammunition have been recovered. Talking about the Anantnag operation, yes, army has suffered 1 casualty in Anantnag operation, and also the 3 terrorists of the Jaish-e-Mohammed have been neutralized. Overall, we talk about the figures. Yes, 168 terrorists have been neutralized by JKP along with the Indian Army in Kashmir Valley, back-to-back operations. And this is also a big blow to the JM when they have lost 6 boys in South Kashmir alone in the operation that was carried by Anantnag police in Anantnag, Larkipora area, and then another operation was witnessed in Kulgam of South Kashmir.
Zeenat, thanks very much for sharing those details. So 6 terrorists who have been eliminated in Kashmir in 2 anti-terror operations that were carried out in Anantnag and also in Kulgam.